Hello, welcome back to Inspire Art Thinkings. Today I am going to show you how to draw a wardrobe step by step. Grab your pencil and let's get started. Step number 1, drawing the outline. First start by drawing a large rectangle. This will be the main body of the wardrobe or almirah. Make sure your lines are straight and even. Step number 2, adding the doors. Next, draw a vertical line down the middle of the rectangle to divide it into two equal parts. These will be the wardrobe doors. Step number 3, drawing the handles. Now let's add the door handles. Draw two small horizontal rectangles on the each door, positioned in the middle vertically. These will be the handles to open the wardrobe. Step number 4, detailing the doors. To give the door more detail, draw a smaller rectangle inside each door following the same shape but leaving some space between the lines. This will create a panel effect on the doors. Step number 5, adding the base and top. At the bottom of the wardrobe, draw a small horizontal rectangle to represent the base. Repeat this at the top to form the top frame of the wardrobe. Step number 6, drawing the feet. Now let's add the feet. Draw four small rectangles or cylinders at each corners of the base. This will make your wardrobe look more realistic. Step number 7, adding shadow and details. Finally, add some shading to give depth to your wardrobe. Shade lightly around the edges of the door, the base, and the feet. You can also add some lines to show wood texture if you want. And there you have it, a simple yet detailed wardrobe. I hope you enjoyed this step by step tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Inspire Art Linkings. Thanks for watching.